Eja Akaswani Itanagar Tangalapuchi Inamalini Etanichi Idmismi Aholakachi Dangalambo Anama Dilimane Emerging Science Done Technology Innovation Conclave Ezaka Yahomanga Akapagamba Prime Minister Narendra Modi ne Aipahe Boda Lahoga Amane Prime Minister me Lagako Power Research Development Done Innovation Scheme for Aipahe Maho Asuniga ba conclave hai achala puche January himanga machini akhandogai boda la hoga government private industry research ajathria done ju natachi la page ejar ka sol mume conclave ma khimbegai bo ma ho conclave mane science technology research ajathu done ikisha ukho thopuchi po chisagai boda la hoga Etanino Delhi Mumbai done Chennai mane Buitahu Yulina ba Akaswani Sangit Sammelan Akapagam bo maho Elamega bane Ikisha Anyahu Kapi City Atima mane Classical Ashe program Akagawda La Hoga Prasar Bharati me Culture Ministry go arwagane program Akaga maho Information done Broadcasting Ministry me baha ino Mamrohukia Maharu Kapi Machin no Akaswani Sangit Sammelan Akaga Jachida Laga Colombo Corona MBRU Gibaho me Sammelan Akanagalam Chida ne Prasarvati Shiwaza Gorop Deviti me Lagada Ahoga Buni Itanagarchi Rasbon Mane Governor Lieutenant General Retired Katie Parnaik me EU State Done EU Union Territory Ati Ajitela ini enanegama ITVP Neris Rajiv Gandhi University done Government Department Mama Jaya Imolombo Gigabada La Hoga Ama Itanagar B Sector Government Primary School Machi Alambo me Nake Bada Ahoga Chief Minister Pema Khandu me Buni West Kamen District Machi Balupong ne Singchung Police Station Mekani Aypaha Bada Ahoga Chief Minister me Singchung Atikochi Government High Secondary School ma my academic block o Ajitega bachi Aypahapa Singchung Atiko Brong Buddha Park Ajitega na cha alapra akhachia on bada ahoga Arnesa Paris Police APP me alambro acho elepra mi chuwe idone tawe maho autali iwe thopuchipo ahega na cha Chief Minister me program ge Ayapah bada ahoga Union Government mache NRE Ministry me Jonega PM Kusum Kokomane Arunachal Pradesh me Prando Joga Dalane Ketiga bada ahoga Buni Guwahati mane Renewable Energy Workshop akhaga mane ali Ketiga bada ne Deputy Chief Minister Tournament me lahoga ne Atikachi imuke bane Jambugachi ga bane ali Ketiga bada lagachi Itanagar capital Atikachi Authui Mima Akugada Etho Latega Imukani Nahalagan police me Wategalada La Hoga Aha Machala Puchi Janyo Hikini Machine Constable Sanuras T me Nyapane Akuipiki Imuge Akugama Rotevachi Azapa Nahalagan Police Station Machi Oshi Krishnendu Dev Assistant Sub Inspector Itar Ngomdir Head Constable Kamta Samyar Donem Constable Devojit Borwa Apagala Police Aruge Mem Alapuga ne Akuga Imuga Torote Aidone Akugamba Anji Uko Chigalada La Hoga Ali Roga Pumama SDP Aza Risilong Dome La Negachida Laga Northeast Masters Table Tennis Forum Kokomane Arunachal Pradesh Masters Table Tennis Association me aha Machala Puchi Janyo Hikini Machi ne Jasukhe Machi Nileba East Siang District Pashigat Mane Bupili Naba Northeast Masters Table Tennis Championship Akhanegalada La Hoga Echahane Hando Arunachal Pradesh Mane Ali Championship Akhagama Arunachal Pradesh Ukho District Machi Anyaho Manga Table Tennis Taraya La Prage Ahoyata India Tika EU State Machi Michimea Mautaru Imume Emagama Emabega Bada La Hoga Abunyana Arunachal Pradesh Machi Holahor District Ma Ayoshada ne International Meteorological Center Machime La Hoga ne Our District Machin Atika Bragama he Arina Maya Abuliche Bumbo Napa Ayosada La Hoga Etanichi Idmismi Aho Alimao Dubai